Good day. Today I would like to show you our team latest project, which is we built for OpenAI Build week for hackathon. And before we start demonstrating these products, I would like to acknowledge that many secondary school students might feel that the history subject is boring. They often learn it as separate dates, names, and long paragraphs without clearly understanding where the events happened or how different parts of the world were connected, especially where the history subject are shown in textbook format. So today, we created EarthStory to make history feel less memorizations and more like explorations. When users enter EarthStory, they see a cinematic 3D globe that slowly rotates. They can drag the Earth, zoom into different regions, and they can explore the history from 3000 BC until the present day. As the selected year changes, the users also can search by the year, country, the civilizations, persons, war, invention, or historical topic. For example, we can search for Malacca, and when I just want to discover like what happened really in the 1511 CE of the Malacca, I just click in. Right now I'm in the Malacca spot, and all the storytelling will continue. Like, okay, what really happened, like Portuguese conquest of Malacca. And one of the coolest feature of our app is actually like what happened here. When I just ask the AI like, okay, I want to ask guide, and the AI will show me right under here. It show that, oh, this place is a historical city, blah blah blah. And also we have a quick check functions. This function is basically like a simple quiz where users can interact like, okay, what does this verify record place Portuguese conquest of Malacca? If I select 1511, correct, this answer is correct, good. Now, this is our end of the presentations of the EarthStory project. Now I will show you how to really make this works. Like, what is the first step? The really first step is we use ChatGPT. We use GPT 4.6 during the planning and reasoning stage. And before the implementation stage, we use it to ask detailed questions, clarify requirements, reduce the project scope, design the database, identify rates, and prepare implementation plans. It's all asking right here, where I just ask the GPT like, okay, you can ask me questions, and I will answer through the questions, and we will make things work. And then the GPT will ask me any questions, like almost like 100+ questions. We then use Codex, one of the GPT machines, to turn those plans into a working state system. The Codex helps us to build the front end and back end, integrate JS, Superbase, and then the OpenAI API. And then it will check the TypeScript errors, run tests, debug problems, and improve the code. Like, this is the first step here. I asked the Codex to doing all the implementation steps for 5 members. We also created an agents markdown file to give Codex consistent projects rules, architectures, guidance, testing requirements, and security constraints. Every time the Codex making any changes, it will just rewrite or making changes of the README markdown and then also the agents markdown. So the EarthStory changed history from a list of dates into an interactive journal across time and place. Our goal is to help students become curious about history, understand how events are connected, and enjoy learning through explorations. This is EarthStory. Explore the world, travel to times, and discover what happened here. Thank you.